Hey there, this is Dr. Tina Ressler with Virginia Family Dentistry, here to talk to you about bruxism, or teeth grinding. We have a three-prong approach to helping you. One is a night guard or a day guard, so it's a piece of plastic that goes over your teeth and protects your teeth while you're clenching and grinding. The second approach is physical therapy. I'm a firm believer that it doesn't just start with your teeth. It's related to your whole body, your neck, your headaches, your position while you're working on tablets, looking down all day. So we want to correct the positioning of your head and your jaw. And also the third thing we do to help you is Botox. We inject the masseter muscles to help them relax so you can't physically bite down as hard and cause damage to your teeth.